What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl, Sarah.
It's your boy, Tuxx.
And today we are here in Samoa. Okay, so we arrived last week Wednesday, and you guys saw that vlog. But I didn't vlog anything while I was here for 5 days with Aunt Taru and baby. They arrived yesterday. Roll the clips. They arrived in the morning and then we came into town. So basically we are here, like I've told you already in the previous vlog. We're here for our girl Yvonne's wedding. She's getting married. I can't believe she's getting married, eh? Can you believe she's getting married?
Nah.
It's crazy. So we've been just busy with wedding preps, just being there for our girl Yvonne, making sure that she's got all her things sorted out for the wedding. And today we thought we had the chance to go and do our shopping for my family here in NOFOALI'I. We went and did a big shopping so we can go and distribute to my dad's siblings here in NOFOALI'I. And then I don't know, we'll see what we're doing. But Toa's like literally out like a light. He's so tired. He's barely been napping here. Yesterday he was so jet lagged that he didn't sleep.
Toa's loving it because he's got all our friends and families that are here. Shout out to the Siosi family for really keeping him occupied, and everyone else. He's really loving it. The weather's, it's pretty rainy, eh? It's shocking, man. It's crazy.
Like very rainy. Pretty shattered because it is not like hot like how we usually come to Samoa. If I would say this is definitely, it is wet season here in Samoa. It's wet season, right?
I don't know.
I think so. It is wet season here. I'm pretty sure it's wet season because it's like this whole week is rainy. We're just praying for dry, like let it rain all week and then beautiful day on Saturday. So yeah, so guys, we're gonna take you with us to NOFOALI'I. We're gonna go see my nana and my aunties and uncles, and we're gonna bring you guys along. She's so cute.
Sera.
Oh, how are you, auntie? I'm Moy.
Hello lang ako.
Oi!
Wala pa kang yung ako. Moy ba ay? Very moy.
He's sleeping. Yeah, because they had their phone. Yeah. He likes Hannah. Lalo Toa. Lalo Toa. Ula Valley. Look, he wants to go to the kids. If you can make it. Hello. Aya. I know.
Jangan ikut kamar.
Well, stay inside.
Get this your data.
Say hi, my name is... What's your name?
I'm Jay.
Let's say to the camera. Say hi, I'm Jay.
Look at the guy playing the Chutana.
English. English. Come on.
Hey,
Show the house.
hey, Dad, this is data.
This is the OG house, guys. Whenever we came to Samoa, we stayed in this house here. This is Elisa's house. And we used to hang out on here. This is the OG house. Oh, they extend. Uncle, nga koe fa extend a koe ole. Son, look. Oink, oink. Oh, look. Don't go close. That's enough. Hi. Hello. So say hi.
Look to Oh.
I go darling with your brother, my guy.
Nice healthy looking pigs. Pigs. Hey my boy. Oh yeah, got a little bit of water system going on here. Beautiful Samoa. It's my first time in NOFOALI'I in ages. So like she said, this was the first place when I first came to Sa. This is where I stayed with Sis, and it was amazing. I love this place. It's where they do the umu and all that, or the cooking.
The kitchen's still here.
The mali.
She said so.
Tour getting a village experience. How you feeling, Tour? How's the how's it going for you?
Hey, hey,
Oh,
the Chino is coming.
okay.
Okay, guys, so we've got my cousin with us. Her name, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself, girl. Hi, guys.
I'm Sera's Tuxx.
Yes.
That is favorite guy. Hey Tuxx.
This is my little cousin. She's from New Zealand. Oh no, you're from Hawaii.
I think so.
We've come to see my uncle Kalika and my dad's sister Ba'i that lives here.
Oh wow.
Hi, uncle. Hello.
Look at Nigel. Holy.
Hi, Nigel.
He's huge.
Maybe walu. Nan we all lang boleh ka anu la kapi. Dai mo fi mama.
Alright fam, so this is Sera's uncle, which is her old man's brother, younger brother, Kalika. We spent a bit of time back here as well. He took great care of us at the back here, living the village life. That's where he does his umu and that. This is the kitchen, the dog. He's always had dogs here. Before his house was like lifted up, and then the dogs were like under here, and we came from Samoa. I mean, came from Oz to visit here. Bro and I had no idea. I jumped out. They're like, "Lemele." They nearly went bang. But yeah, got my security guard Nigel.
And Lalafang 50. That's about 200. 300.
Oh hey girl.
Fine.
What is that?
For our
Is this your Pepe?
what?
Oh, aye.
Leave it here, okay?
Oi. Hi.
Hey. Oh, got some in the car. Yeah. Okay guys, one more stop and one of Sera's auntie's house. They stay right at the front of the village. Says, seen all her family.
I'm loving this, guys. I've missed my family so much. Hi, Kaz! Your mum said you were here. How are you?
Good, thank you. Hello, bye. Okay.
What?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi, ugly. How are you? Hi. My God. Oh, kasi Pepe. Hi, fatty. How are you?
Good.
Hello.
Hi, auntie.
Hello.
Hello, children. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Hello. Hi, uncle. Oh, hi, mate. Hi, auntie. Yeah, Julie's not far from me. Hello, baby. Okay, how old is she?
Wow, sold. Oh, so nice. The last time I was here, this wasn't done like this. So this is very beautiful. That's the man himself. Sick. When did they do this way? Liver?
In last year.
Solid, nice, man. So, usfongo lalo toa.
So, Talim
Talili, usfongo talili.
and Basa said,
And kangwasa sela. Beautiful. It's awesome being here. Tours just walking all over the place. He loves it here. And says that I love seeing him just with the family all over the shop.
What's your name? What's your name? My name is... Now, go to the back. Come, you here. Come. What's your name? Come, so let's see, Lolly. What's your name? No, my name is go. What's your name? Alex. What's your name? My name? Yeah. So, what's your name? Thea. Okay, here. Give baby. Give baby. Oh, here, and this one. Give baby. Give baby.
Yala, may lalmi maka. Thanks. Wow. Sab. Kailan ba?
Ah, sana. Oh, malul. Oi.
24 hours later.
Okay fam, so been such a stressful night, and it wasn't because of me and Tadu, but our little man's over here. Say hey. Hello. Do you want to show them what happened? Say Okay, hold on. We're gonna tell you the story in the car because we're about to get hustled. Okay guys, we're finally in the car. We went for a walk and we ended up at Friendship Park, and then we walked all the way back.
And then we went for dinner at the Nazis. Sorry, and then we came back home to get ready for bed. Doing our usual bed routine. I had his bottle ready, turned the light off.
And he just kept following his dad. Like, that's what Tua does though. He just follows his dad everywhere. But he was following Taru everywhere, and Taru had turned off the light. It's not dark. Like, there's still light coming from outside the bedroom, and the bathroom light was still on. So Taru had made his bottle. I don't know how, like...
Yeah, I went to go, I think, put something on the bed. He was following me, and then all I heard was boom on the tiles, and he just slipped. And I looked down, and he was just like this, up against the bed base, like this. And he just started crying. So I figured, oh no, you know. So I turned on the light, put him on the sink to have a look, and then his mouth was just full of blood.
And we just thought that he must have busted his lip because the day before yesterday, he slipped off the chair and he busted, he bit down on his lip when he fell. And we were like, oh, hopefully it's just, bruh. Jumped out of bed because I was laying on bed. I jump off and Taru's like holding Tua, and then I open his lip up to see if there's a cut or something, and it was like his tooth was hanging down, but I didn't know that it was falling off. It was hanging down, and the other tooth looked like it was pushed up, but like we ended up like straight away grabbing our stuff and running out the door. And we went to the ER because we were like, we don't know what to do. We get to the ER, we got put into triage where the nurse could assess him, and she pulled up his lip and son's tooth had fallen off. My heart, literally, I started bawling my eyes. I just felt like so sorry for my son. He's only 1 and he's lost his baby tooth already, but he still looks so cute with his baby tooth. Anyways, we ended up going back to see the dentist, but we're here in Samoa, and listen, I am grateful for the resources that we have to provide for Tua, but they're not as high standard as they are in Australia. We wish that this had happened in Australia than Samoa, but we are grateful that Tua got assessed. They did say that it looks like it's a clean cut. They can't do much because he's a baby. When we go back to Oz, we're gonna go see an orthodontist for Tua's teeth. Anyways, in saying that, we're gonna end the vlog here. We're not going to be vlogging the way we usually vlog. We were meant to vlog like that, but I just feel like we just want to be present in the moment with our son, enjoy this trip with son without like always pulling out the camera. So we will vlog where we can, but we won't be vlogging the way we usually vlog whenever we come to the islands. Anyways, we're gonna end this vlog here. I've got to go get ready because we have bridal rehearsal today.
Me and son just gonna kick back and just make sure he's alright. Cause I gotta keep an extra eye on him now, because he really is like a real clumsy baby. Probably every baby is, but he's super clumsy. I think his long legs.
His long legs.
Long legs
Heavy
get in the
feet.
way of him walking around, but just gonna probably chill out and just nurse
He's just too excited. Like, you know how every kid is. He wants to explore everything, even if it's just like the table next to him. It's like the most basicest thing, and he's like so entertained by it.
Yeah, family. So yeah, God bless you all.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We love you, TNS family. So far, so far.